Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to review and unbox the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So let's start the video. Okay, so let's quickly unbox the package. I bought it from Flipkart and it comes from eCard Logistics. So quickly unbox and let's see what actually has inside the package. So here you go, we have invoice here, and I have two invoice because one is for the phone and other is actually for my back cover of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Oh, looks what inside the package. There are so many crazy stuff here. I think Flipkart wrongly sent it, so keep it aside. Okay, so here comes the Zenfone Max Pro M1 packaging. Let's quickly check what is actually inside the package. Okay, so here you go. We have the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Let's talk about its feature. It actually launched in May 2018 and it has a 5.99-inch display and it has the IPS LCD capacity touchscreen and 16 colors here, and its resolution is actually 180 into 2160 pixel and 18:9 ratio. So let's talk about its platform. It actually comes with the operating system Android 8.1 Oreo version and its chipset Qualcomm SDM636 Snapdragon 636. It has an octa-core 1.8 GHz Cairo 260. And inside the package we also got the charger as a micro USB cable and the adapter, which is 5.0 volt. It has a dedicated slot. You can use both the SIM and SD card simultaneously in one place. And I have bought the 6GB RAM and 64GB variant Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So let's talk about its main camera and primary camera feature. It has 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. It is a huge camera function. Okay, the phone comes with the fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, proximity sensor, compass, gyroscope and ambient light sensor, and it has a big non-renewable battery which has 5000 mAh capacity. So let's talk about its price. The price range is around 13,000 for the 6GB and 64GB variant. As it has a dedicated SIM slot, you can expand the memory up to 2 TB. So that's it for today's video. If you like, then please subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.